One of the other style lifts that we're going to talk about today, this is one of the lifts that comes into question a lot for aesthetics. You'll notice beside me here that we have a single head, a single drive, and a single motor on a single pile. There's certain applications where people have aesthetic issues or there's association rules and they have to follow those guidelines. Our Gatorvator is a beamless style lift. So it's a traditional piling mount cable drawn lift, but we don't have the upper structure attaching from this piling to the next corresponding piling. So it gives us the ability to mount an individual drive head to each piling. We have several different configurations when it comes to this Gatorvator series. We have a 2-motor and a 4-motor setup. One of the big advantages to the 4-motor configuration is it gives you the ability to independently level each corner of the lift. So again, that's just one variation of it. You'll notice that we have this protective Lexan winder cover that goes on the front. You'll notice we have the stainless steel cable keeper tensioner plate on top of the winder, protecting those cables from being able to jump grooves. We have our new patent pending limit switch that we're going to be introducing to the market. This one's retrofitted with our 500 series C drive, so this gives you a good idea of how much smaller this variation of the C drive is compared to the big standard workhorse that you see on a lot of our boat lifts. So again, we have the ability to take the mounts. We can mount them in either aluminum or stainless. We have the ability to Line-X coat them. So there's a lot of different customizable features with this lift, but the biggest advantage to this lift is you don't have the unsightly beam construction going from piling to piling, blocking your view of the water. Everything's a little bit more hidden and tucked away and independently controlled. So again, our Gatorvator series comes again with the 3.5-inch winders, the tried and true best drive in the industry, all stainless and aluminum construction, built for the toughest saltwater environment that you could possibly think of. So this is one of the more popular style lifts when it comes to the traditional cable drawings, again, because you don't have all those unsightly structures going from beam to beam.